In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert any chart on TradingView. Whether you're analyzing Bitcoin or any other asset, inverting a chart can sometimes give you a fresh perspective and help identify trends in a new light. Let's dive into this step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate over to TradingView and open up the chart you're interested in. Today we'll be using the BTUSD chart as an example, but you can follow the same steps for any other chart. Once you have your chart open, look around for the gear icon that represents settings. This icon can usually be found in either the bottom or top right corner of your chart interface. Clicking this gear icon will open up a menu with various options that allow you to customize how your chart looks. In the settings menu, you'll find the option to Invert Scale. This feature is what we're after, so go ahead and check the box next to Invert Scale. By doing so, you effectively flip your chart upside down, which can be quite informative for analyzing market movements in a new way. This method is great for those who prefer a direct and straightforward approach to changing their chart's orientation. Now let's talk about an alternative method, which is perfect if you like using keyboard shortcuts. Begin by opening the chart you want to invert, just as before. If you're using a Windows PC, simply press and hold the Alt key while simultaneously pressing the I key. This quick combination effectively inverts the chart without needing to navigate through the settings menu. If you're a Mac user, the process is just as simple. Instead of Alt, you'll use the Option key, so press Option plus I together. Just like that, your chart is inverted instantly. These methods are convenient and efficient, allowing you to switch your chart's presentation within moments. Some traders find that viewing charts in an inverted format enables them to spot alternative trend lines or points of resistance and support that might not be as obvious otherwise. It's a handy tool to have in your trading toolkit. So there you have it, 2 simple ways to invert any chart on TradingView. Whether you prefer to use the settings menu or are a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you're now equipped to look at your charts from a whole new angle. These steps are easy to follow, whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just starting to explore the intricacies of chart analysis. Try it out with different assets and see how an inverted perspective might offer you fresh insights or validate your existing analysis. Happy trading!